Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. So friends, in this channel we are attempting to bring to you all the latest government job updates in finance domain every week. So please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the like button so as to receive an alert whenever we are uploading a new video. Now friends, let's begin and go through job updates of this week. So friends, first a reminder for those who have still not applied for these 30 vacancies in all disciplines advertised by the Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited for the recruitment of management trainees. So friends, here the education qualification asked is either a BCom or MCom or MBA finance with minimum 60% marks, or a chartered accountant, a company secretary and a cost and management accountant. So friends, here the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply and will get a salary of 65,000 every month. So friends, you will have to apply online latest by 13th December 2021. So friends, before move ahead, just wanted to share an important piece of information that at Finance MCQ website we are providing the following courses. So friends, we are providing courses on NHPC Senior Accountant Exam 2021, Bharat Dynamics Limited Management Trainee Finance Exam, then UPPCL Assistant Accountant Exam 2021, then MGVCL Deputy Superintendent Accounts Exam 2021, then PFRDA Assistant Manager Grade A Exam 2021. Friends, we are also providing course on Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited Junior Accountant Exam 2021, then National Highway Authority of India Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts Exam 2021, then KIOCL Executive Trainee Finance Exam 2021. And friends, in the end, IREL India Limited Graduate Trainee Finance Exam 2021. So friends, if you have applied for any of these exams, do visit financemcq.in website and prepare for your exam well. All the best friends, and we'll be adding some more courses in future as well. Moving ahead, friends, next vacancy is from Odisha Mining Corporation, which is a joint venture between Government of India and Government of Odisha. So friends, here the recruitment is for 3 vacancies of Deputy Manager Finance at Odisha. So friends, the education qualification asked is either associate or fellow member of ICI and ICWAI. So friends, the upper limit is 32 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are also eligible to apply. So friends, the per month pay scale would range between the basic of 67,700 to 2,08,700 every month. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to OMC latest by 20th December 2021. Friends, we have made a separate video specially for this recruitment. Do check this out, and the link is given in the description box below. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Central Bank of India for the recruitment of 20 vacancies of financial analyst on all India transfer basis. So friends, here the education qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or an MBA finance. So friends, these are permanent vacancies, and as far as experience is required, a fresher CA and CMA is eligible, while if you are MBA finance, you need to have 3 years of experience as an officer in a public sector bank or undertaking in the reputed field. So friends, in this case you will get a pay scale of 48,170 to 69,810. So friends, hurry up as the last date is 17th December 2021. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, which is a Government of India undertaking under Ministry of Defence, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of manager at Kolkata. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA, and the upper limit is 42 years. So friends, this is a permanent vacancy where you need to have 8 years of experience in areas such as budgeting, costing, banking, taxation, finalization of account, exposure in account related matters, financial concurrence in various procurements and compliance matter related to finance. So friends, the detailed advertisement is there in the link given in the description box. Friends, the package you will get here is 14.03 lakhs per annum, and you will have to apply online latest by 25th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. So friends, here the recruitment is for assistant manager again at Kolkata. So friends, here the recruitment is for fresher chartered accountant or cost and management accountant, and the upper limit is 22 years. Again a permanent vacancy friends, the package would be 11.22 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 25th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for associate member of the Institute of Company Secretary of India for the recruitment of assistant manager. So friends, here the upper limit is 28 years. This is a permanent vacancy friends where a fresher CS is eligible to apply, and the package you will get is 11.22 lakhs per annum. So friends, as I said, you have to apply online latest by 25th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Research Development Corporation, which is under Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of junior accounts officer at New Delhi. So friends, the education qualification is a first class degree in commerce and at least inter CA or CMA with completion of articleship. So friends, here the upper limit is 30 years and this is a permanent vacancy, friends, where you need to have 5 years of experience in finance and accounting in a reputed organization, and out of that at least 2 years should be in a PSU or autonomous body. So friends, here your per month salary would be 48,780 plus you'll get perks as per the rules of the company. So friends, to apply here you'll have to first mail to jobs@nrdc.in and send the hard copy to NRDC latest by 26th December 2021. Friends, next is an opportunity to work with Indian Oil Corporation Limited as a trade apprentice accountant. So friends, in this case, the education qualification is a graduation in any discipline with minimum 50% mark and the upper age limit is 24 years. So friends, here there are total 120 vacancies, out of which 40 is there for Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, 28 for Karnataka, 20 for Kerala, 17 for Andhra Pradesh and 17 for Telangana state candidates. So friends, as I said, the nature of employment is apprenticeship and a fresher graduate is eligible to apply here, and you will get a stipend of approx 10,000 every month. So friends, you have to apply online latest by 27th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Housing Bank, which is under Ministry of Finance, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 14 vacancies of assistant manager at New Delhi. So friends, the education qualification asked is either a bachelor's degree with 60% or a master degree holder with minimum 55% marks, or a chartered accountant, cost and management accountant, or a company secretary. So friends, here the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply here. So friends, you'll get a per month salary of approx 60,056 rupees every month. So friends, you have to apply online to NHB latest by 30th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of deputy manager at again National Housing Bank. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline and the desirable qualification is MBA Finance. So friends, here the upper limit is 32 years. These are permanent vacancies, friends, but you need to have 2 years of experience in banks or financial institutions or regulatory bodies in India handling credit appraisal, audit and risk. Friends, here your per month salary would be 79,621 and you have to apply online latest by 30th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is National Housing Bank, for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of regional manager. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation degree with FRM or PRM or a CFA, CA, CMA is eligible to apply. So friends, the upper limit is 45 years. It's a permanent vacancy, friends, but you need to have 2 years of experience in corporate credit and risk management category. So friends, you'll get a per month salary of 1,26,954. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 30th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University for the recruitment of 3 vacancies of program officer at New Delhi. So friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree with 50%. However, the desirable qualification asked is a diploma in corporation. So friends, the upper limit is 40 years. These are permanent vacancies and you need to have 2 years of experience in either central government, state government, semi-government or a cooperative organization. So friends, the package you will get is 8.5 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 20th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Central Bank of India for the recruitment of 1,226 vacancies of circle-based officers at Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Chennai and Jaipur. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline and the upper age limit is 30 years. So friends, these are permanent vacancies and you need to have 2 years of experience in a scheduled commercial banks or any regional rural banks as listed in second schedule of Reserve Bank of India. So friends, here your pay scale would be 36,000 to 63,840 per month. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 29th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Income Tax Department Kerala for the recruitment of 5 vacancies of tax assistant under sports quota. So friends, those who have represented either India or state or university or even a state school team in various sports such as athletics, badminton, TT, rowing, etc. are eligible to apply. So friends, here the educational qualification asked is a degree from a recognized university or its equivalent and having a data entry speed of 8,000 impressions per hour. So friends, the upper limit here is 27 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply and the package would be 5 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to Income Tax Department Kerala by 31st December 2021. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. See you all next week with some more updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.